Welcome to Bill Cooks. I'm Bill Cook. Today we're making the Taco Bell Mexican pizza. Now this is the short version of the longer video I made where I just basically go on and ramble and it's pretty much unwatchable. So let's do the Cliff Notes version here so you can find out what you need and get this made. Let's get started. Well, you'll need to put some hot oil in a pan, about 350, and add your flour tortilla to it. Now I've poked some holes in it with a fork to try and keep the air pockets to a minimum. You'll still get a few. Kind of poke them down as much best you can. If you flip it over and get both sides hard, it helps minimize that a little bit. Now just keep on top of the bubbles. Pretty much, you're watching the video. You get the idea. Just cook until it's crispy. If it's soggy, it sucks. Now pull it off, drain it on a paper towel, and let's get started with the rest. The beans are the first layer. These are canned beans because it's Taco Bell Mexican pizza, not, some Michelin star Mexican pizza. So, put a thin layer down because you don't want the Taco Bell experience. Let's be honest, the ingredients aren't really all that plentiful. Ground beef. Now this is cooked with a McCormick taco seasoning packet, just cooked to the package. I added a couple scoops of fresh salsa to it. That's not the Taco Bell way, but it's what I like. So do it the way you like it. If you want the full Taco Bell experience, leave that out. Also, don't put too much on because let's be honest, most people don't even know it has ground beef. Now you add your top layer there, your second tortilla that you've crispied up. Squish that down a little bit to give it the real authentic thing and move on to the sauce. This is where the magic happens. This is a sauce you'll have to make. You cannot buy this. This is equal parts La Victoria salsa, the chunky stuff, and a red enchilada sauce, a mild sauce. It's delicious, but it's about equal parts. So 3 scoops of each makes you a bowl that'll make you this here. Add that in a thin layer. Again, if you go crazy, you're not going to get the true Taco Bell experience. It'll taste good, but it won't be exactly how you remember it. Now, the cheese is the next thing. This is Monterey Jack cheese and some mild cheddar. Put on as much or as little as you want. Again, if you're going for the true experience, be a little sparing with the cheese, if we're being honest. But if you want it to taste good, put as much cheese on as you want. I like flavor, so I'm adding cheese. Now this is going to have to go in the oven for a few minutes just to melt the cheese. 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. It comes out, looks delicious. Add your fresh tomatoes, some green onion, a little cilantro if you want it, and then cut it into 4 pieces. Now my OCD kicked in and I had to cut it in 4 equal pieces. If you want the true experience, make sure that one of those cuts is not exactly centered, so you get that kind of weird one there. Basically that's it. You got yourself a Taco Bell Mexican pizza. It's delicious, so enjoy. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.